Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a virtually brand new 2018 Honda CBR300R with ABS. This bike only has 336 miles and is offered for $39.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great entry-level sport bike. It has ABS, nice additional safety feature to it. It's got an upright riding position, gets fantastic gas mileage, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We did a complete safety check on it and made sure everything's up and going. Registration is paid for through March 2020, so you don't have to worry about that. You just have to pay the $20 transfer fee. If you're looking for an entry-level sport bike, there's no better one out there. In addition, we can provide financing and an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.